Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making an elegant and glam fall centerpiece. So what you'll need some of this bulk silver embellishment packet with pearls. And this is from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you're going to need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a silver or nickel tray. I have an oval shape. You can really use whatever shape you like. You're going to need a pack of these silver candy dishes. If you can't find these silver candy dishes, you'll just use a trio of whatever shaped dishes you'd like to have. And then I have some of these silver napkin rings and florals of your choice from Dollar Tree. I also picked up some of those maple leaves. They come in gold. You can keep them gold or you can put some glitter on them with Mod Podge as I've done here to change them to silver. You'll also need one of these floral foam blocks from Dollar Tree. Now I'm going to be using hot glue on my project, but if you'd like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we'll need in order to complete this beautiful project. If I use any additional items, I will list those in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't this elegant fall centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and get started decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you so much, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.